that the days of the stethoscope are gone. So it's been a good run. It's been a good run, stethoscope, but it's time for you to retire. Because there's a new kid on the block, and that is this. This is the Butterfly IQ Diagnostic Ultrasound. And this little device is going to change the way that medicine is practiced. It already is changing the way that medicine is practiced. This is going to replace the stethoscope. This little device plugs into my iPhone. And with it, I can instantly look at a patient's interior without radiation, without any big fuss. I can scan their neck and I can look directly at their carotid artery. I can see how much blood flow there is in there, if there's any blockages, how much calcification exists. I can look at their gallbladder and see if they have any stones. I can check the meniscus of their knee while they move their knee, and I can see if the meniscus is injured. I mean, this is a game changer. And I just got mine. I was on a waiting list for over a year to get it. I just got mine. I've only had it for a short period of time, and it's already blowing my mind. Specifically, the knee meniscus was incredible to look at. I mean, in the past, I'd have to take x-rays to look at the bones and then usually send people out for MRIs. But with this, I can check it like immediately in my office. And patients are just blown away by it as well. I mean, it is just such excitement based around this device. It's just incredible. It's just changing the way that we do everything we do in our office. And I mean, even if you're like a massage therapist, right? Or physical therapist, you can benefit from the Butterfly IQ because, for example, if you have a patient with a fascia restriction or a fascial restriction in their back or in their arm or in their neck, you can see the fascia on this ultrasound. You can have a person move their neck and you can see the area of the neck that's not moving properly in the soft tissue. Then you can do some myofascial release or some work on it or some stretching. You can rescan it and see instantly if your treatment has been effective or not. So, I mean, this is going to become the new stethoscope, for sure. I mean, you're going to start seeing these in every clinic. And in fact, one of the most exciting things that I've seen this do recently, and I've only had it for a short period of time, is I can scan a patient's heart. And instantly, on my iPhone, I can see the valves of the heart opening and closing, and I can push a button and I can test the ejection rate of that heart. I can see how the blood is moving through that heart and essentially see if the patient has some sort of cardiovascular dysfunction. I mean, wow, right? It is just such a cool device. I am so thankful to the makers of the Butterfly IQ. I'm so happy with it. And if I had a choice between this or my digital x-ray machine, you're not going to get this. You're going to get my x-ray machine. This is the most important diagnostic piece of equipment I have in my office right now. And it's like 1/10 the cost of my x-ray machine.